transformation. It's not a matter of teaching someone some knowledge, but that can be part of it. It's a matter of changing.
It's not enough to focus on the core subject areas. We need to focus on what we call core C's that are creativity, critical thinking, communication, collaboration, as well as information literacy.
I'm really thinking about activities that are getting students to be active in their learning, so getting them doing things with that information. So I want them to actually be able to connect to those concepts and perhaps create something, share something, have discussions.
So it's very important that we listen first. What is it that the community wants? And then the students go back to the universities. They now work in a multidisciplinary manner to now produce a solution for the community.
I think I really like the focus of the conference on social learning. I think social learning is in higher education very much the future. We need our students to be not only working in groups together, but also, if possible, in groups producing content, questions, media, assets.
Are we teaching learners for an uncertain future whose jobs are building existing? So we need to move beyond knowledge recall to teaching them the kind of skills that they need and to teach them to learn how to learn.